Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to invoice with an hourly rate per person in Clerk. To create invoices based on hourly rates per person in the Clerk Invoices app, we need to use Invoice Generator and invoice templates. You can watch a separate video that shows how Invoice Generator works, and in this video I will show how it could be used for our case. First, we need to make a simple initial setup. We need to create a personal role for each person that we want to use in invoicing. Then we need to create a team scheme that will map all our people to these personal roles. And finally, we need to create a price list with people hourly rates. We can create different price lists or different team schemes for different clients. Now we can create invoice templates for our clients. In this case, we have added one time-based line with a time filter that defines the scope for this client, and we are using here a team scheme and a price list that we have just created. Now we can open the invoice generator and we see all our invoice templates here, and all we need to do is just to click generate button. And the app goes through all invoice templates one by one and generates invoices. Now we can close the generator and check the invoice that we get. And we see that each person takes a separate line in the invoice with time report attached, and corresponding rate is applied. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.